Ipsy. Now what? Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited. I'm going to be unboxing the February 2020 Ipsy Plus. Now last month, if you watched my video, the box came undone. This month, it's still taped, but it's lifted up. I'm curious, do your boxes come untaped or partially untaped, or is this just me? If you're new to beauty subscriptions or have never tried Ipsy or aren't familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription, and this is the $24.99 a month box, and you should receive 5 full-size products. So let me open up the box. Inside, the inside says, "Discover yourself," and this is what we receive. There's a card that will give the pricing and a description of what is in your box. And it says, "Will you be our Valentine?" Okay, let's dig in. The first item is and this is Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Oh, I like a sleeping mask. It's very tiny for a sleeping mask. What does the card say? This isn't the card. This is a save the date for February 24th. Love at first click. Win a V-Day gift. This is an advert. Ipsy. Now what? Okay. This says, "Will you be our Valentine? Hey you. Wow, you look great today. That shade? It's perfect on you. We wanted to let you know that you're doing a killer job. We get that life isn't always easy and liquid eyeliner is so hard, but you've totally got this. And just in case you needed to hear it, we love you so very much. So give yourself a big hug and let's keep in touch, okay? Talk to you later. XOXO Ipsy." What the? This is a sweepstakes entry. Okay, what a waste of my time. Okay, so my BoxyCharm box this month didn't have a card, and apparently the Ipsy box also does not have a card. How are you supposed to know the price of the items you receive and get a description? Okay, comment down below if I'm just having bad luck, or if you subscribe to Ipsy and BoxyCharm and also did not receive a card this month. Okay, I forgot to pull out the bag. This month's bag, it's a little small. Well, maybe it's average. It's like a mauvey, I want to say ballet slipper pink with a plum purple zipper and inside. The next item, ooh, okay, so this is a common brand found in beauty boxes called Wander Beauty, and this is Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. Wow, I didn't realize Ipsy was doing foundations as well. What I find interesting though, BoxyCharm, I got to make a selection and choose which shade I wanted. And Ipsy just sent me a shade. So let's see how they did on the shade match. Let's see here. Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. Does it give a shade? In Fair. Okay, well, to be fair, no pun intended, I am fair. Let's do a swatch. Oh, there's tape. Oh, interesting. It's in a squeezy tube. So I thought it was going to squirt out, but there's actually... I want to make a mess. It's not coming out. Oh, it's a big doe foot. That actually is not too bad of a shade match for me. Smells like a typical, rubbed it on in. Okay, I'm actually excited. Go Ipsy. I wonder though how they did if you have darker complexion or aren't as fair as me, or if you're more fair than me and you got the shade Fair. I lucked out. How did you do? Okay, I'm excited. I just grabbed the next item, and it's by Murad. Murad has very expensive skincare. What is this? Ooh. This is Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 PA+++. This says, reveal radiance and protect skin from UV damage with this vitamin C rich SPF moisturizer. Potent antioxidant ginkgo biloba leaf extract helps shield skin from environmental aggressors such as pollution for a glowing, healthy looking complexion. To use, apply liberally to face, neck, and chest. Dermatologist developed. And this brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. Okay, I'm very excited. Although slightly confused because vitamin C is very good for brightening, but I don't know that it's good to be in the sun when you have vitamin C because it will reduce the effect. So I'm still excited. All right, Ipsy, you're slightly better this month than BoxyCharm. All right, next item. These brushes. You know I love a good brush. Interesting. It's like an envelope. Okay, these are brushes. And more than I thought there would be. We got 5 brushes. 1 second while I crinkly paper it so you don't have to listen. Okay, we have 5 brushes. 3 look to be eyeshadow brushes and 2 are face brushes. This is what I would use for blush. Seems soft on my hand. This would be good for blush. This brush isn't quite dense enough, I don't think. Yeah, it's not dense enough to do foundation, but it could be good for contouring or bronzer. This seems a bit thick and dense for eyeshadow, for me personally. Wonder how it would work. I'll find a use for it somewhere. And this is also pretty thick. Could use it to pack on the eye lid, and then this is kind of smaller blending. 5 brushes. Mediocre quality in my opinion. I still like brushes. Okay, next item, which is the last item. This is MAKIAGE. Is this going to be a liquid eyeliner? Okay, what is this? Why is there no card? Okay. Well, it's made in Germany. And it says INKLINER. I'm going to assume INKLINER is the German term for eyeliner, but let's open it up and find out. Oh, shocking. No roller ball. It's a black eyeliner. We just, or at least I just got last month in my Ipsy box, a black eyeliner. Okay, that last one though was bad. Let's see. Let's do a test. Okay, it's pretty black. Let's see if it smudges. Yep. Let me add one more line. And we're gonna wait to see if it, maybe it needs more time. This is what we got last month from Sugar. Okay. There's been a lot of repeats of similar products, black eyeliners in beauty boxes. I've never had a back-to-back month. And not only a back-to-back month, but back-to-back bad black eyeliners where they smudge. Okay, so this has been on there for a good 20 seconds or so. Not as bad, but it does smudge. Hank and Henry. I got this, I want to say in a BoxyCharm. Has a roller ball. It's right there. Doesn't smudge. If you're going to give me a black eyeliner, make it a good one, please. Okay, off my high horse. Comment down below if you are sick of black eyeliners, or at least if you get a black eyeliner, it should be good quality, right? Let's recap. This box started off so good, and then, alright, to recap, we got a Murad vitamin C infused SPF 30. Out of nowhere, Ipsy provided a foundation. Granted, it is Wander Beauty, which is, to be honest, I've never heard of Wander Beauty, the brand, other than in beauty subscription boxes. Let me open this. We also got this Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Oh. Okay, so it's not serum form like I thought. It's just a very small amount. Oh, it is sealed. I want to test it out. I don't know why I do that. I go to smell and I end up with some on my nose. This has a very light scent. I Can't put my finger on the scent, but it absorbed quickly into my hand. Brushes. Oh, what is the brand? The brand is Laruce. Laruce. I don't know how to pronounce that. And these are synthetic, vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic synthetic brushes. LaRuceBeauty.com. Made in China. So we got 5 brushes, foundation, 1 ounce sleeping mask, horrible liquid eyeliner, and a product from Murad. What are your thoughts? Did you like your Ipsy box this month? Let's try the Murad here. Doesn't seem to have a smell, and doesn't seem to have a white cast, so. Oh no, it does have a smell. Oh, I like that smell. It's very gentle, slightly citrus with sunscreen smell. Now if you don't like sunscreen smell, you probably won't like it, but it smells like the beach with like slight citrus beachy smell. I like it. Okay, what are your thoughts? Did you enjoy your Ipsy box this month? I enjoyed it this month. It is better than last month. Don't care for the liquid eyeliner. Not gonna lie. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.